Welcome to Family Budget Tracker, a simple PHP and MySQL solution to manage your family budget and expenses. Start with a secure PHP login, giving each family member controlled access to the budget dashboard. This is your Family Budget Tracker dashboard. Track spending, monitor your budget, and see your family's financial activity at a glance. Next, we have the Family Spending Envelope. Here, you can track daily expenses, assign them to budget categories, and monitor who is responsible for each expense. Next is the Financial Reporting section. Filter expenses by date, review every transaction, and get a clear summary of your family's monthly spending. Finally, the User Management module lets you manage family accounts, assign user roles, and control access to the budget tracker. Ready to build your own PHP project? Get the source code, customize the dashboard, and start building today.